Turn that up. Young Match.
Turned down couple of M's already. Now I'm a mainstream rapper. Man wanna block man out of the scene. I'm hearing that mainstream chatter. In the UK, no one ain't calling him GOAT. We know him as mainstream capper. Shorty bad, mainstream slapper. See me on the trap here, mainstream chapper.
This is the trade right now, falling to our take profit hopefully. Let me just move this across. It is coming down to my area of interest pretty strong. And if we look at the profit and loss right now, we're up around $6,800–7,000. So yeah, I have an opportunity to close this right now, but I might just give it a few more minutes depending on the volume and the momentum, because it is going strong right now. And it could go below my area of interest, which is this area here. This is a potential area of a Fibonacci long. So if it can break below this and actually come to my TP, then there's a high chance of it actually potentially going to like this next level of support, in my opinion. The last thing I want to do right now is take a loss on this, but yeah, I'm just going to probably let this trade play out right now, give it another 5 minutes, let the volume come in, and I'll close everything off. All right guys, so probably the earliest we've been out here in Dubai with my boys. We're actually heading off to go on a private island. Is it? That sounds so wrong. All right, so we're going to go ahead right now and go onto one of my boys' islands in Abu Dhabi. It's his own, and yeah, we've just been invited there to have just some fun, to chill. So right now I think I'm floating just over $1 million in funding or something like that. I've not really counted. The aim is to try and get more payouts over the course of this week and get them secured, and then keep looking to expand the portfolio right now. A very nice day out here right now, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. The G-Wagon on a boat to an island. That's crazy.
Moved to Miami and caught me a boat. Hope my fiends don't stop doing coke. Bitch, I'm a champ on top of the ropes. New Louis V's every time I tote. 9mm every time I tote. I do all the shit without a step.
I don't know if you saw it, but I literally fell on the quad bike and broke it a little bit. I broke it a little bit. You didn't see that? We're here right now on the private island. I'm coming to like the beach club house, whatever you call it. Loads of sand on me. By the way guys, if any of you want to join my next bootcamp, which I'll be hosting, go ahead and fill out that form below. There's only around 10 applicants that I'm going to be selecting, because this takes up a lot of my time. I've made over $300,000 from prop firms through payouts just alone in the last year and a half. This is your opportunity right here. Take it before you lose it. This week alone, we've actually generated around $20,000 worth of profits. You can see right there, $8,000 profit for this account right here. And this is an FTMO account, as you can see, $208,000. And we initially started the account, we got to around break even, had around a $6,000 loss. As you can see, we made back all of those losses. 4, 8, 12, around a 15K trade, which I recorded live for you guys. And you can see that right there, FTMO account right here. Let me show you guys the other funded accounts right now that we have. $206,000 of profit right there. $6,000 on the account, and again you can see the last withdrawal was $5,594, which I believe I could actually request right now. In fact, I just remembered on this account, and yeah, you can see right there the $5,000 withdrawal. We had a loss again of $7,000 or $8,000. Quickly recovered that straight away on the 30th of May. So this account right here has been requested for profit split, $4,900 profit. You can see right there the withdrawal has been submitted and it's pending review. So that's ready to be withdrawn. And we're going to go ahead and make those withdrawals in the next week or so. In the meantime, I'm going to try and get more funding. But yeah, this is what we're doing right now. The best advice I can give you is to stay composed, because whenever I used to go into drawdown, there'd be times where I thought, okay, you know what, let me just lose the account. I'd rather lose it than trying to get it back out of drawdown because it'll take so long. But then it got to a point where I just said, okay, you know, it's only like $5,000 down, which is 2.5% of the 200K account. I can make 4%, you know, in one single trade. I know that when I do have a win, the size of that win is going to outweigh the size of that loss, and that's the main thing, right? The other thing is as well, what I did do was I kept the risk the same. I didn't lower the risk, because when you do lower the risk, now you've got to catch more pips for you to make that back, and that can be sometimes a bit difficult. I keep everything the same, whether I'm in profit, whether I'm in drawdown. I keep it the same because I know the power of my system, I know the power of my strategy. It's just about sticking to your system and risking accordingly at the ones that you believe to be A+. We've heard it 1,000 times from different influencers, but when I say A+ setup, I'm talking about the one setup that you've seen play out so many times before, and now you have so much confidence in that playing out as well, right? What's the way? So we've got S63. What's next? M5. How much is, brother?
This one is 2.2.
Yeah, this is definitely the next cop. Or this in like a China, no, not China blue, like a dark blue, I think, or something. $600. Yeah.
Pounds.
Pounds. Okay.
How many payouts is that?
Not that many, you know. It actually is. I don't know. I'm laughing. I swear. That's next. Wallah, inshallah, that's next. Yo, guys. So we're jumping into the G-Wag, one of my favorite cars, and this color is beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. It's like a crazy color. This is the lineup right now. I'll really be out here.
I've been down like Santana in 2009. Doing my business in court sides, pretty shit sitting on each side. Used to serve on the east side, you know gangsta, you see that. I know me without a doubt, I can't tweak out. Fuck her till she tired, as soon as she asleep, I'ma sneak out. They depending on me now, in Belize with my feet out. 20 foreigns in the line, we play like me, them in 05. Numbers this inside, a bunch of rapid fire with a dope shot. This shit hot for it, don't try. Baby land go for 6,000, keep my name in them trap houses. All my mamas got low mileage, shoot with gang phone, I'm solid, ain't no phone, no I'm solid.
The last time I showed you guys the trade was when I was in the diner, you know, having my food. So let's give you a full little breakdown of that trade. So this is my sniper entry, sniper exit, came right back to my entry, and then the market just melted. There you go, history for today, $8,900. And yeah, that's the trade for today. And this as well was sent into the Telegram. Before, after, before, after, before, after. And again, I sent this whole trade out with explanations to the free Telegram right there. What I would look for sells at this right shoulder for this pattern. But yeah, right now we actually just gone ahead and I think booked an apartment. It's just one of them ones. Came back from my hotel, which is about 20 minutes from here. Decided to get an apartment. This is the luxuries of life. You know, when you're making consistent payouts, consistent income, you can spend it on things like this just on a random one. And this is what I'm grateful for. This is what you guys should be aiming to achieve as well. The freedom, the luxury of being able to be anywhere, do anything you want at any time. This is the TRX. Let me show them the TRX RAM. This is it makes this look so small. My boys, this is my friend's car. You think it's not? You think it's not? Think I won't just sit? Flip. Yo, that was close.